Carnivalwater from Purmerend, a little town close to Amsterdam. When I was 13 I started sailing on the North Sea. Even in school sometimes I used to have a bit of problems when it was windy. I was listening to the sound of the trees.
My first time in Bonaire.
Sprechen kein Dutch. This is German or?
This is my second time in Bonaire.
No, Holland's got awesome women. Always has.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was actually in the days when I was single one of the few places in the world that I actually occasionally got lucky. Hey, we got a little Dutch sunshine going here.
To be on the water with no wind, it's like having sex with Tina Turner or something, you know? It's like you get something, but it's still nothing.
There's definitely some good parties on the world tour. It's hard to keep your concentration sometimes on the races, especially when there's no wind and you're waiting and waiting for the conditions to happen.
Vader likes to party in Amsterdam.
Red light district, first time. Were you stoked or shocked?
Stoked and shocked at the same time. Again, I didn't go in anywhere, but I think it's classic. You know, I'm a total pervert, so it was just right up my alley. You know, it's great stuff.
The conditions are good there too.
In the red light district.
And the red light street.
It's pretty good, dude.
Wild birds means para loco. That means like crazy bird, you know, loco bird.
Bird.
No way.
Boy. Dutch easy rule. Happy Halloween.